Another outstanding 7-seater, 4-wheel drive, beautiful specification has just arrived, and this is an Audi Q7 50 TDI, so it's the 290 brake horsepower, V6, diesel, S-Line, Black Edition. 8,000 miles, price to sell £66,990. On top of it being the S-Line and the Black Edition, it's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. That is a massive option, and it's key. It's a key option. Brightens the whole car up. The car's in a colour called Navarra Blue, which is a beautiful, rich, electric blue colour. It sits beautifully. It's got the 22-inch diamond cut wheels, which are an Audi Sport design wheel. They transform the look of the car. You've got all the black styling, as it's the Black Edition, so we've got the grille, the inserts. I've put the hazard lights on just to show you them stunning dynamic lights on the new generation Audi. I just think the key, and they look superb. Now, this car's priced, I said 66,990, it's 2021. It's got massive specification, it's diesel, it's 7 seats. We sell lots of Discoveries. I'm just thinking of to compare. We sell lots of 7-seater Discoveries. If you're going to go and buy today, like for like Discovery on a 2021, same specification as this, it'd probably cost you another £10,000. So I think the Q7 represent real value for money. I think you get luxury, you get a fantastic drive. Also, you get great reliability with a Q7. Land Rovers, we sell lots of them, but you do get little niggles with them. Q7s, for me, are more robust, they're reliable. And this car's a 7-seater, all-electric rear seats, which I'll show you later in the video, in the beautiful colour. With it being the Black Edition as well, little things to point out, black mirrors, all de-chromed round the windows. You've got privacy glass, you've got the black section on the styling. Just a great looking car. Inside, again, the Black Edition gives you a high gloss piano finish inside, so you can see there. That runs all the way through the dash. Memory seats, heated seats. Q7 gives you a beautiful soft Napa leather with a white stitching, that's heated. All electric, obviously. You've got this beautiful flat bottom steering wheel. Let's start the car up. And on Audis, everything's digital on an Audi, so everything's very easy and quick to use. You know, you've got your digital dials, which everything can work off here. You've got your driver and assist, you've got your maps there. You've got this beautiful digital center section, which has got all touch screens. So you've got all your things, your navigation, your media, you can go into your car, and you've got all the different driving modes, tells you all the different Audi Drive Select options, driver assist. So it's very quick. Here, it's where your heated seats options are, where your digital climate control. Everything's very, very usable. Reversing camera, this vehicle's got, as you can see. The big one, I mentioned it, sliding panoramic sunroof, key option, transforms the look of the car, brightens it all up inside. Just a great, great feature. And Q7, there's bags of space. So I'm sat here, my driving position, you know, I'm probably 6'1", and I've got, let me show you how much space you've got in the back. So then you've got 3 huge seats. Look at this. Loads of leg room, pure comfort. You can see all this beautiful glass roof here. It's got an internal blind which goes across. You've got the rear digital climate control again. Very, very usable. Just slide your finger along there. So it's a fantastic car. All the Isofix seats. Great, great family vehicle. Bags of space. And then when we move round the rear, you've got your electric tailgate. At the moment, the back 2 seats are down, so look at the size of that boot. Look at the size of that load space. And then if you want the seats up, electric, press the buttons, look at that. Seats are up. Beautiful. And you've still got bags and bags of space behind to even put luggage after you're using them extra seats. So I think it's priced right, it's got the right spec, looks part, beautiful colour Navarra Blue. Sliding sunroof, going live on our website. If you want to call me direct, my number's on the bottom of the screen. My name's Liam. You can get this car reserved. You can pick it up before Christmas. Thank you for watching.